up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I am going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty. This is called their Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Okay, listen, Fenty is coming for the girls. Like, she has not let up since she dropped back in 2017, okay? So she just keeps releasing back to back to back goodness, okay? So I'm gonna be reviewing her new foundation skin tint blur product. We're gonna do a wear test today, but before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking this product up. Also follow your on Instagram if you're not yet following me, okay? And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I have a fresh face here, so I'm going to, like, y'all, I'm almost there. I'm almost done with this Hydro Grip primer. Like, I think I got probably like 3 more uses out of this. So as I'm putting this on, I'm gonna be like reading a little bit about this foundation to you guys. Like, I want to understand this because she already has 2 like medium to full coverage foundations out. She has one that's a natural finish, kind of hydrating, and then she has her matte foundation that she first launched. So this one says it's a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage that leaves the skin looking blurred and smooth, and it has 25 shades. So normally her foundation shade range is 50, but because I guess this is a lighter weight texture, less coverage, she didn't have to put out that many shades because a lot of shades can fall into one like color. So this skin tint is a natural finish, so this can work for multiple skin types. Also, another thing to point out is it is humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant. I like stuff like that, okay? Because y'all, I live in Houston. It's humid and it's just getting hotter by the day, which I'm happy. I love me, you know, I love the hot weather. So for Fenty, I wear 420 in both of their foundations, and I picked up the shade 20 because on or in the skin tint I have shade 20. On the Sephora website, it gave you like the conversion. So if you wear Fenty 290, like, it tells you that you'll be shade this in the skin tint blur. I knew I was gonna forget something. I'll be right back. I forgot to put my beauty blender. I forgot to even grab one. Bazak. By the way, on my eyes I have on actually Pat McGrath Mothership 5. That is what I have on my eyes today. So, oh, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm like so excited to try this product out. Listen, this might just be travel worthy, okay? Because I like lightweight stuff, especially when it's like hot. So let's see. Off the bat, perfect shade. This is perfect. So if you wear Fenty 420 or I think, no, 420 and 430, shade 20 would be a perfect color for you. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, so I'm liking this. So far, so good. Like, it's lightweight. It's definitely, I feel like it's giving me a little bit of coverage actually. Like a little bit, which I guess because it is like, it's a light medium coverage foundation. This skin tint retails for $29.50, which Fenty for the most part has never really been super expensive, which I like. And then also it's still 1 fluid ounce of product in here that you get. It's actually 1.08, and that is the amount that you get in her original foundations, like both the matte and the hydrating foundation. So yeah, it's a pretty good price, and you still get the amount of that. And most foundations usually have about 1 fluid ounce in them anyway, so I like that as well. Y'all, my skin looks so fresh. Like, it looks so fresh. So right here, I do still see a little bit of like some of my scarring, which that's actually not bad. I mean, granted, I'm not trying to cover, but the fact that it's like barely noticeable, that's pretty good. I'm gonna see if I try to put another layer on, will it do something? It covered a little bit more actually. So this is something that you can definitely layer. You can definitely layer this for sure, but it's definitely not gonna be your full coverage. I feel like I would even like take a little bit, like probably like 1 drop or 2, and mix it into my moisturizer if I really didn't want to like do anything. I'll kind of use it like those Cover FX drops that came out years ago. Y'all remember those? Oh yeah, my skin looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the skin tint like all set down and everything. And then I'm gonna do a wear test. So I'm gonna check in hours after I've had this on, and then we'll do a final check-in at the end of the night to just let you guys see how this held up. But I'm loving it. Who is, oh, y'all, Amy's calling me. Hey Amy, say hi to my channel. I'm filming right now.
Hi guys, it's Whitney here. It's Whitney here with.
You can't even get the intro right. Hey, it's Whit here again with another video.
Okay, it's Whit. Okay, let me do it right. It's Whit here again with another video.
Oh my gosh. Y'all go subscribe to Amy's channel. I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Yes, and that's my goal. I'm gonna show her some love, or else I'm gonna fight you if I see you in the street.
Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. The skin tint has been set and everything. And right now, I love the way my makeup looks. Real quick, to set my face, let me show you guys what I use so you guys know. I did my makeup like I normally would because I want this to really be accurate. So the way I normally set any other foundation is how I did this today. So I use the Laura Mercier Honey Powder. Love this stuff. And then I go over my under eye concealer again with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Powder. And then I use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to set my entire, well, not really set, but like kind of just finish off everything. So I have pretty normal skin, so just about anything kind of works for my skin type. I rarely get oily. If I do, it's like it's been hours into the foundation, or the foundation just wasn't, it wasn't for me. So I'm gonna wear this today. I have some schoolwork I need to get done. I'm about to go get food. I have not eaten since like yesterday at like 4 or was it 3? So your girl is starving, and it's 12:39, so I've probably been fasting for about like 20 hours or so. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna wear it. I wanna see how this foundation looks in about 3 or 4 hours. Kind of do a wear test there, and then I'll do another check-in like a couple hours afterwards. Right now it is 12:40. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this foundation or the skin tint, but right now I really like the way my skin looks. It looks really just sun-kissed. I look good. Let's see if I look good. And I've avoided watching anyone's videos because I do not want to be dissuaded, or just, I don't want any thoughts into my head, okay? So I really want to go into this like with my own opinion, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I like this. If I don't like it, I don't care, and it will go right back to the store. I don't care. I'm a returner. If I don't like something, I'm not gonna keep it. I have way too much products in my collection to just sit up here and keep stuff that I'm never gonna use. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit to show you guys this foundation or skin tint. All right, you guys, so it is currently 3:40 p.m. and this is what I look like right now. I would say I do like the way my skin looks, but normally I kind of look like this towards the end of the day. I've only had this skin tint on for about 3 hours now, so I am worried about how I'm gonna look in the next 3 hours from now. I will say though, I still do like the way my skin looks. I feel like I look very well moisturized and hydrated. So, I mean, it's not bad, you know. It really, I mean, it's pretty. Like, I will say it's very pretty, but I'm just worried because one of the claims is that it's sweat and humidity resistant. And I live in a very, very hot state, and it's only gonna get hotter. And yeah, I'm just worried about how that's going to work when I actually have to wear this out in the heat. I've been indoors all day. I just don't know how this is gonna hold up in a very hot climate environment. But this is what we look like right now. I don't think I look bad. I feel like I look pretty good, but we'll see how I look in a couple hours from now. So yeah, this is our first check-in, and I'll be back to show you guys what I look like later. All right, you guys, so it is currently 6:18, and I've had this foundation on going on about 6 hours, and it looks like this. So I look very, 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 I look greasy. I look very greasy. Now, like I said earlier in the video, I have pretty normal skin. The way my face looks right now, this is usually how it would look if I've had a foundation on for like 8, 9, 10 hours. So, I mean, I already knew going into this was not gonna be a long wear product. This is definitely something that I feel like you wear for a couple of hours, you know, 2 to 3, 4 hours. If you're trying to do something long wear with this, not it. My biggest concern is the website stated that this was gonna be more sweat resistant, humidity resistant. I've been indoors all day, so if I look like this from being indoors for this amount of time, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna look like if I was outside in the heat. This product is not bad, but I'm looking at the monitor and y'all, I literally look like grease cooking grease was thrown on my face. And I didn't powder down. I have not touched up my face at all. Like, I like it, but I don't know if I love it. Like, I don't like the way I look right now, like, at all. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this product. Have you tried it out? If you're going to try it out, whatever it may be. For me right now, I feel like I'm kind of like, there's a big chance that I might return this. I really love the way my face looked when I first put it on, but right now, I do not like the way I look. I feel like I look really, really, really greasy. And this is, I don't see how this is gonna hold up in hot weather. I don't really see how it can stick to those claims if I didn't even go outside and I look like this. So yeah, for me right now, the foundation there's a very big chance that it might go back to the store. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram if you're already not following me. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.